Hey everyone, and welcome to Shipping Excellence. I'm Andrew Duncan. Today we're going to wrap up 2024 with a special episode. We're going to take a look at the trends, lessons, and what's on the horizon for software development, AI, and the tech ecosystem as we move into 2025. Let's dive in. First up, let's address a recurring question I've been hearing all year. What tech stack should we use, or what LLM model should we choose? And here's the reality. The stack and the model won't matter, at least not for companies whose primary focus isn't building AI or manipulating vast amounts of data. In the long run, success won't be determined by whether you used framework X or tool Y. It'll come down to how well you execute, how adaptable your systems are, and how effectively your teams can iterate. The tools are important, but they're not everything. And speaking of iteration, 2024 wasn't really the year of ROI for AI. After 2023 was the year of experimentation, many expected 2024 to be the year we'd see significant returns. And that's natural. As humans, we like to sequence things. We learn, we experiment, and then we see the benefits. The companies seeing real results right now, they're the ones that are iterating consistently, learning from failures, and staying ahead by building momentum. This year, we've seen some interesting shifts. For example, companies are building in-house AI solutions at nearly double the rate of previous years. Why? Because they're realizing that generic tools often fall short of delivering meaningful results. They need bespoke solutions tailored to their unique challenges, and that's driving a new wave of innovation. Another key insight, ecosystems are more important than ever. As highlighted in Forbes, the AI ecosystems revolution is about creating interconnected frameworks where AI tools, data infrastructure, and human processes align to deliver maximum impact. It's not about having the right tool or team, it's about connecting those pieces into a cohesive dynamic system that evolves over time. Successful ecosystems allow for seamless collaboration, faster innovation, and scalable solutions. That's where the magic happens. Another trend worth noting is the patterns emerging in how companies are building with AI. According to insights from Anthropic, building effective AI agents isn't just about having the most advanced technology. It's about creating systems that prioritize reliability, adaptability, and alignment with human intent. Companies are moving toward modular architectures, allowing for easier iteration and targeted improvements without disrupting the entire system. Building effective AI agents isn't about jumping straight into complexity. It's about starting simple and adding complexity as needs arise. Anthropic emphasizes that teams benefit from initially focusing on creating systems that reliably handle foundational tasks. By beginning with straightforward, well-aligned systems, companies can ensure a strong base to iterate on, making it easier to adapt and refine as goals evolve. Over time, these systems can be scaled and enriched with more advanced features, aligning with the company's growing capabilities. Looking ahead to 2025, I believe we're entering the year of agent experimentation. But let's pause and define this. What exactly is an agent? In simplest terms, an agent is a piece of software capable of making decisions and taking actions autonomously. Right now, companies are just scraping the surface of what agents can do, but next year, we'll see more real-world applications and experiments. However, this shift comes with challenges. For one, compliance. It's no longer something you bolt on at the end of a project. Responsible parties, legal, HR, security, must be involved from the very beginning to create a culture of accountability and trust. Also, the impact of AI is increasingly bespoke. No two companies will see the same results because success depends on their specific needs, goals, and constraints. There is no one-size-fits-all here. Another shift we've seen this year, the slowing pace of new AI capabilities. That's impacted the way companies are training and deploying AI systems. Training architectures are evolving to work with what's already possible, rather than waiting on the next big breakthrough. And honestly, that's a good thing. It forces us to focus on practicality and implementation. One emerging theme is the idea of one-to-one replacement functions. Many companies are looking to swap out traditional processes with AI-driven ones. But the real breakthroughs, those will come from companies that innovate. Those who don't just replace, but rethink how things are done entirely. A related trend, employees are becoming managers of agents. Think of it this way. AI isn't here to replace people entirely. Instead, it's shifting roles. Employees will increasingly focus on guiding, training, and managing these agents to optimize their performance. To wrap up, let's address the elephant in the room, the hype. A lot of people are comparing AI's current trajectory to blockchain. And yeah, there are some similarities, the excitement, the overpromises, the confusion. But here's the difference. AI has far-reaching practical applications right now. The challenge isn't the tech itself, it's how we use it. So my advice, as we head into 2025, Keep experimenting, stay practical, and don't get caught up in the noise. The companies that will succeed are the ones that iterate, innovate, and align their efforts with real-world outcomes. That's a wrap for 2024. Thanks for joining me on Shipping Excellence this year. I hope this provided some clarity and inspiration as you move into the new year. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe and share it with your network. And if you're ready to build exceptional software, reach out to us at Vertice Labs. Until next time, keep shipping excellence.